guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abby, and today what we're going to discuss is how does interest only rates work. But before we get started, I want you to subscribe to my channel, turn that bell notification on so you get alerted every Wednesday at 7 p.m. when I post. So let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, cool. So today what we're going to discuss is how does interest only rates work. So I am not a mortgage broker, but I'm just going to give you the basics of what I know from it and how it has benefited me, so then you could basically take it on board. Obviously do your own due diligence at the end of the day, because that's what you should always do anyway. But yeah, I'm just going to show you more about how does it work and why do people actually do it. So interest only rate is a great way for you to basically build your money from the bank. You're using the bank's money as leverage. So the bank has now given you the money to secure your property, essentially, yeah? And instead of you repaying the payment, which is at a higher rate, instead of that, you're only paying interest. And normally people do it for around 2 to 5 years, depending on what product that they actually have with the bank. And the reason why they do that is because that money, first off, it is fixed. You're using that money to build leverage with your own funds. So let's say, for example, you have a 4-bed, and this 4-bed you're making 1,800 from it because you're doing 450 per room. And so now you're using that money now, instead of a big chunk coming out to repay the money off that property. Let's say for a repayment rate could be 600, for example, for your house. Instead of that, you're only paying £200. How much is that saving you for one? £400 already. So you're saving extra money because you're only repaying the interest. And obviously that is how banks make money, but at the same time you're using that to build your own money, because you're going to use that money and you're going to save it, you're going to stack it up. Obviously tax comes into it, but that's later on down the line. So that is why I say you're using the bank's money to make money. So even though the bank's making money off you, you're also making money off the bank because you're doing it this way. Obviously, you have to be wise with your money. But if you do it at this specific strategy and you're using that money to build it up, to then recycle it and go buy another property, that interest rate fix that you're using is powerful, because now your money is now growing. And this is why I always preach about interest only rates. Smart way to grow your funds, and at the same time it's a smart way for you to build your property portfolio. And also another benefit that I will definitely say is what's coming in and what's coming out, so you can be more organized with your money and you know how much you can actually save. And this is why I say organization is key. For you to also manage your money is key, because you could get excited, earn a good amount of money and just spend it on nonsense, and then after, what is the point of that whole interest only rate? There was no point, babe. So this is why you need to make sure you do everything in order. So you have a plan, you execute your plan, and then you're honestly seeing the wonders of what interest only rates can honestly do for you, due to the fact that you stuck to your plan and now you're able to recycle your money, and then now you're on to the next one, your whole new other house. Yeah, okay, wicked. Guys, what I specifically spoke about, this is only for a buy to let, because it's important to use the bank's money to leverage your money and to honestly just build your property portfolio, so then you'll just start having passive income coming your way. Okay guys, so guys, if you have any other questions, please comment down below. But I hope that was nice and clear and understandable on how interest only rates work. I hope I explained it well. Guys, also before we end today, make sure I add me on Instagram, it's Oniru. Subscribe to my channel, turn that bell notification on so you get alerted every Wednesday at 7 p.m. when I post. And guys, finally, thank you for watching today, and goodbye.